Here's a quick tutorial on how to make an aircraft follow a path in Blender. First, add a path by pressing Shift A, then going to Curve and choosing Path. Scale it up a little bit. I'm gonna rotate it to 90 degrees on the Z-axis to match the aircraft direction. Go to Edit mode and start dragging and extruding vertices to create your path. When you're done, return to Object mode, select the aircraft, go to the Constraints Properties tab, click here to add a new constraint, and under Relationship, choose Follow Path. Select the path curve as the target. If this happens, just select the path and press Ctrl A to apply the scale. Now select the aircraft and let's go back to the constraint. Enable Follow Curve and click on Animate Path. Now, if you hit space to play the animation, the aircraft will follow the path. To make the aircraft bank when turning curves, select the path, go to Edit mode, in the top bar, expand Curve Edit Mode Overlays, enable Normals, and adjust its value to make the normals visible. Now you'll be able to see the arrows indicating the direction and tilt of the curve. Select the vertex you want to tilt, press Ctrl T and drag the mouse to adjust the tilt. I'm gonna tilt this one as well. When you're done, play the animation again and you'll notice the aircraft banking as it follows the curved path. If you like this content, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our new tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.